Two passengers, same flight, same airport. One clears immigration in 2 minutes. The other gets stopped, questioned, and almost denied entry. The difference? Not documents, not money, but how they answered simple questions. In this video, I'll show you the 10 most common immigration questions and exactly how to answer them so you never look suspicious. Immigration officers are trained to read people, not just your answers, but your behavior, confidence, and consistency. Even a small mistake like hesitation, confusion, or over-explaining can raise red flags. Real questions, wrong answers that trigger suspicion, smart answers that get you cleared fast, and psychological tricks to stay confident. Before we jump into questions, understand this. Immigration is not an interview. It's a verification process. Officers already have your passport details, visa info, travel history. They ask questions to check. Are you consistent? Are you confident? Are you hiding something? If your answers don't match your documents, you're in trouble. Question 1. May I see your passport? This looks simple, but it's your first impression moment. There is some kind of suspicious behavior, is that? Digging into bag, shaky hands, looking nervous. We should behave smartly. That is, passport already in hand. Eye contact, calm tone, sure. Question 2. How long do you intend to stay? This question checks if your plan is clear. You should not behave with suspicious answer, like maybe 10 to 15 days. I'll see. Here problem will raise. You look uncertain equals possible illegal stay risk. You should go with smart answer. I'll stay for 10 days. My return flight is on March 15th. Pro tip. Always connect your answer with proof, return ticket. Question 3. What is the purpose of your visit? This is the most important question. Here, suspicious condition can be shown if you say, I'm here for tourism, and maybe some work also. This is big red flag of visa misuse. Answer smartly. I'm here for tourism. Keep it one clear purpose. Officers don't like mixed intentions. Keep it clean and simple. Actually, education, business, or tourism is safe answers. Question 4. What do you do for work? This question checks your financial stability and intent. Here, suspicious answer can be, I do small work, nothing special. Sounds unstable. Smart answer are, I'm a digital marketer. I work as a software engineer. Pro tip. Short plus professional equals best answer. Question 5. Are you traveling alone? This is a consistency check. Suspicious. Yes, but my friend is also coming later. Confusing equals red flag. Smart. Yes, I'm traveling alone. Or, I'm traveling with my family. Tip. Your answer must match your booking. Question 6. Do you have any family here? This question checks if you might overstay. Suspicious. Maybe distant relatives? Not sure. Looks dishonest. Smart. No, I don't have family here. Or, yes, my cousin lives here, but I'll stay at a hotel. Insight. Clear answers reduce suspicion instantly. Question 7. Do you have anything to declare? This is where many people panic. Mistake. Saying no while carrying restricted items. This can lead to fines or serious issues. Smart. No, I don't have anything to declare. Or, yes, I have important item to declare you. Golden rule. Honesty is always safer than hiding. Question 8. Where will you be staying? This checks if your travel is planned. Suspicious. Some hotel. I forgot. Huge red flag. Smart. I'll stay at ABC Hotel in New York. Tip. Keep booking screenshot ready. Question 9. Can I see your return ticket? This proves you will leave the country. Suspicious. I'll book later. High risk of denial. Smart. Yes, here's my return ticket. Insight. No return equals major suspicion. Question 10. Behavior test. Hidden question. This is the most important, and no one talks about it. Officers observe. Eye contact. Tone. Confidence. Suspicious. Over-talking. Nervous. Avoiding eye contact. Smart. Calm. Short answers. Natural behavior. Rule. Answer only what is asked. Nothing extra. If you remember only this, you'll never face issues. Be clear, not clever. Be honest, not smart. Be calm, not nervous. Keep answers short. Traveling internationally doesn't have to be stressful.